Hi, this is Sudhir Chandran. I have done bachelor's in aeronautical engineering. Now I am going to present a short topic GD&T, which is geometric dimensioning and tolerance. First of all, what is GD&T?
What is geometrical dimension?
Giving the dimension to drawing engineering drawings, that is 3D models.
What is the difference between 3D model and 2D model?
It is 3D models, it's isotropic view, and it's isometric view. 2D models is only front view of the component.
Okay, continue.
What is GD&T? GD&T is nothing but a system for defining and communicating the engineering drawings. It is used to tell the...
What is amorphic view actually?
Sorry sir?
Amorphic view.
Amorphic
View.
It's the cross section view of the components. It's the interior section.
Continue.
Okay. It's used to tell the dimensioning and tolerance of the engineering drawings, and it tells the precision and what degree of accuracy is needed when we are going to manufacturing process, and it is to define the nominal geometry of the parts and assemblies, and it also used to define the allowable variation in form and possible size of the individual features, and it has to define the allowable variation between features. And next one is drawing and tolerancing. First of all, what is drawing?
What is tolerance limit actually?
Tolerancing limits, it tells how much of variation is included when we are going to manufacturing process, which is from the designing drawing. Next we are going to see about drawing and tolerancing. First one is drawing. Drawing is it is to interpret and explain the engineering drawings in correct form. And next one is dimensioning. Dimensioning is nothing but that tells the it is to communicate the engineering drawings properly. And next one is tolerancing. Tolerancing is nothing but the geometric dimensioning and tolerance of the engineering drawings, that is used to specify how much of variation is included when we are going to the manufacturing process. Next one is basic information included in drawing, which is projected views. Projected views is nothing but the many sides of views, that is front view, top view, and right side view, left side view, all the views of the geometric diagrams. And next one is cross section views. Cross section views tells the interiors of the geometric component, which is the cross section of the views. And next one is table. Table is nothing but it is located at the lower right corner of the drawing sheet. This tells the part name and the drawing information, material information, and the scale ratio. These are all things included in table. And next one is dimension. Dimension is important things of the drawings. It is in numerical values. Next one is types of dimensional tolerance. There are two types of dimensional tolerance. One is limit dimensioning, and next one is plus and minus limit dimensioning. This is the diagram tells the dimensioning tolerance of the engineering drawings. This is the dimension which is between 1.375 to 1.378. This is the one method tells the dimensions of the engineering drawings, that is limit dimensioning. And next one is plus and minus tolerance. It is mentioned 1.357, the plus or minus 0.04. That is in manufacturing process the dimension should be between 1.375 to 1.379. It is acceptable dimension during manufacturing process. These two processes are accepted for manufacturing. And next one is geometric tolerancing. It is used to specify the shape of the features, which is straightness, flatness, circularity, angularity, cylindricity, perpendicularity, and parallelism. Next one is feature control frame. This is the exact information about the drawing. This is the geometric characteristics symbol, and next one is diameter symbol. And 0.05 is the tolerance of the hole and materials. And M mentioned the material condition symbol. And C is the datum of the drawing. And next one is geometric characteristics symbols of the engineering drawings. This included in 3 types of tolerance. One is form tolerance, and another one is profile and orientation, location and runout. In form tolerance, it includes straightness, flatness, circularity, cylindricity, and these are things included in form tolerance. And next one is profile. It includes the profiles of the line and the profiles of the surface. The next one is orientation. Orientation included in angularity, perpendicularity, and parallelism. And next one is location, which is included in position, concentricity, and symmetry. And final one is runout, which is circular runout or total runout. This is the characteristic symbols of the geometric characteristics. This involved in 3 types. One is individual features or related features, and individual or related features. The next one is, this is the example for geometric characteristics of the engineering drawings. When you are going to manufacturing process, how much of tolerance is acceptable, and this is the example for geometric characteristics of the engineering drawings. First one is straightness. This is the exactly in the drawing, that is 16 mm is mentioned during designing process. When we are going to manufacturing process, this is 0.02 tolerance is acceptable during manufacturing, and 16 to 15.89 is maximum material condition. And this is the exact three views of the straightness of the geometric components. And next one is straightness at maximum material condition. And this is the diagram exactly on the drawing. When you are going to manufacturing process, how much of tolerance is allowed, that is 0.04 to 0.06 is acceptable during manufacturing. And next one is circularity. So in circularity, this is the diagram shows circularity of the geometric components. It includes the dimensional symbol and material properties and datum of the circularity. In this circularity, 0.25 white tolerance is acceptable for manufacturing. And next one is flatness. In flatness, 0.25 to 0.25 white tolerance is acceptable. This is exactly on the drawing. And next one is parallelism. In parallelism, the two surfaces lie between the horizontal lines of the exact axis, which is 0.12 white tolerance is acceptable for the orientation surface. And next one is cylindricity. In cylindricity, the surface must lie between the two concentric cylinders. This having radius 0.25 white tolerance, and it is acceptable for manufacturing. And next one is perpendicularity. In perpendicularity, this is the geometric characteristic symbol. This is tolerance, and A is nothing but the datum of the component. In this feature, 0.25 mm is acceptable for the manufacturing process, except from the designing drawing. And next one is angularity. In angularity, the angle measured from the position orientation of the actual surface. In this angularity, 0.4 is acceptable for the manufacturing process. And next one is conventional tolerancing. This is the diagram shows the conventional tolerancing of the flat surface, that is rectangular object. This shows the tolerance zone, boundary, and the holes. These are all the things. What are the dimension and tolerance involved in the conventional tolerancing? This is the things about the geometric and dimensioning tolerance. Thank you.